Hello guys, somebody can ask why if we make the tandoori naan we need a flour sour. Because if you know, the tandoori oven is made with clay, the same material. So everybody have the opportunity to have the tandoori oven at home for the cost or for the dimension. And also in the tandoori oven you put the fire in the bottom of this big pot. We cannot do at home, so we will put this flowers sour pot in the oven. We on the oven at the maximum temperature. When the oven is hot, we can put our bread in this pot. But now let's see the ingredient. I will use 500 grams of flour, 200 ml of water, 100 ml or milliliter, sorry, of whey or curd. For me the curd is the cheese, the whey is the water that remain later, but it's up to you how you want to call. 100 ml of yogurt. If you cannot find the whey, you can use 200 ml of yogurt, plus 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder or baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of oil. After, when the bread is baked, you need 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of melted butter to oil the bread, and if you like, I will use the cumin seed, that is very Indian. So some bread I will make plain, some other with the cumin seeds. So now we should prepare the dough. We put all the liquid stuff in a container, plus the sugar and the salt, and after we add the flour. If you notice that is too sticky, you can add some flour and go ahead working the dough. Should be soft but not very sticky. Now we should wait 30 minutes. In this way our dough relax. And after we make small balls with the dough, and we can on the oven. But about the oven we can speak about later. See you in 30 minutes. Okay, our balls are ready. Now we take our pot, we put in the oven should be off. After that we put this inside, we can on the oven. It's better if there is no many gap of temperature when you manage this, because it's not the proper one, but it's the one for the flour. After that the oven have reached the maximum temperature, in my case will be 230 degrees, some oven can reach 250, depending on the oven that you own. You can smash one, you can use the hand, you can use this one, it's up to you. After you put the bread on the pot, more or less you will need 2-3 minutes. You can recognize from the bubble and also from the color when it's ready. So you remove it and put a new one. So let's do it. I will put this in the oven now. Spectacular. Will be perfect with a curry, Indian curry, Thai curry. You can find both here on the channel. So remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. If you know some recipe like this one and you want to share with us, please write down in the comments. I will try to make the video. Or if you have some suggestion, write down. Bye bye. With the butter, the cumin seed is spectacular.